channel. In case you're new here, my name's Marie and I try to make luxury related videos every single week, so I would love for you to subscribe down below for more videos. And as I'm talking about subscribers, we are above 100 subscribers and that's actually quite a lot to me. I know it might not sound like a lot, but I have only told 4 people that I started a YouTube channel. I haven't announced it on my Instagram or anything, so to me it is a lot and I really want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. But with further ado, let's get into the video. In my Monaco Chanel unboxing, I promised you that I'd film what's in my Coco Handle Bag videos. So today's the day and I'm super excited. In case you haven't watched my unboxing video, I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. I bought the black Coco handle and the light grey Coco handle in Monaco and I love these bags so much. I've already worn them a ton and I think even though they are a mini bag, I think they fit a lot, and I normally really tend to wear mini bags and I have other bags that fit way less, so I think if you're interested in the mini Coco handle, definitely take a look at it. And I really want to show you what really fits inside the bag. So I have the black one fully packed and let's get into the video. So it opens here and here is the inside. I hope you can see it. It is packed and on the back it has a compartment here as well. But let's see what I have inside. I have my phone inside and actually I can put it here as well. Here you can see, but I really don't do it because I think that the pocket stretches out a bit here. I don't know if it's even true, but I kind of feel like it stretches out, so I don't tend to put my phone inside. Next I have my wallet. I have the Valentino wallet and I love this wallet so much. It fits a crazy amount of cards, money and even coins, but I don't really put too much coins inside, to be honest. I pay most of my things with credit card, so to earn points. But yeah, I really love this purse and actually my boyfriend gifted me this the first Christmas we spent together about 4 years ago, so I really love it and I wear it quite a bit still. Next I have my mini brush inside and I'm one of these girls that always tends to brush their hair. I love it so much. I brush my hair at least 10 times a day and I always have to have a brush with me, so that's quite handy as well. And now you can see the front compartment is empty already. Then I have a middle compartment here as well, which opens as you can see, and in here I have my house keys. Here you can see it's just one key that opens everything in the house, and I also have my Swarovski keychain, and I think no, there's actually one stone missing. I was so proud that there's no stone missing, but one is missing, but you can't really see it that well. But I love this keychain. I don't like big keychains because I tend to wear mini bags and I just don't have the space for big keychains, so I really love this one and I purchase it all over again. So that's what's inside the middle compartment, but you could put more, so the bag is not fully packed. Then I have chewing gum. These are the Airways, which are my favorite chewing gums. Then I have some handkerchiefs and a pen. I think it's so important to always bring a pen. I like to have one with me at all times because you always need one and there's always a person asking for a pen, and I think it's so cool that I carry a mini bag and I'm always the one that has a pen, so I love that. And then I have a hair tie. I always have a hair tie with me and these are my favorites. Not a lot left. I have my car key. I have the Jaguar E-Pace, so always have that with me as well. And the last, oh no, there are 4 things left. I'm gonna put them out. I have a Louis perfume tester from the scent Rose de Bon. I always love bringing perfume testers from the perfume I wear on that day because it's always nice to freshen up a bit, and I think these are so cute because they're just so little. So I always love to bring them with me. And then I have kind of my lip favorites with me. I have the Chanel Lip Balm. It's just like a clear balm, but it's always nice to have it with me when I need it in case I have dry lips. So that's the Rouge Coco Balm. Then I have my favorite Dior lipstick with me. It's actually the one I'm wearing today as well. It's the color 414 Saint-Germain, and it's so amazing. I love it so much. I have repurchased this quite a bit already, so it's definitely my go-to lip color. And the last thing I have in my Coco Handle bag is the Dior Lip Maximizer, and this is again a product I have repurchased a lot. I think I've already purchased this 15 times or something like that. I wear it on a daily basis. I love it so much. I have it on top of my lipstick today as well, so I definitely need this one with me at all times. So that was actually it. That's all I have in my Coco Handle. As I mentioned, I would have had a bit more space, but not a lot. And here you can see, I hope you can see inside, how it looks when it's fully empty. So it has the burgundy interior as well. And actually there is a zippy compartment in the back. Hope you can see it here, just in the back here. But I don't really have anything inside now, but whenever I get a business card I just put it inside of here. So I really like this bag. It is a mini bag, but I think it fits a ton actually, and I would definitely recommend this bag. Definitely check it out in a Chanel store near you. I loved it, and I love just the size and the handle. It's just an amazing bag to me, and I think I already told you that I have way more mini bags that don't fit that much. Some might not even fit my wallet, so I think this is definitely a great bag, and I really use it on a daily basis as well. And I'm super excited that I have both these colors so I can match my outfits better. But yeah, I hope this video was informative for you. In case you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!